Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel, your ultimate guide to exploring the world's best destinations. Today, we're setting our virtual compass towards the historic city of Krakow, Poland, a place where vibrant culture, rich history, and unique attractions are woven seamlessly into the city's fabric. From ancient salt mines and sobering reminders of the past to regal castles and vibrant neighborhoods, Krakow is a city that captivates at every turn. Without further ado, let's dive into the heart of Krakow and discover its top 5 must-see spots. First on our list is the mesmerizing Wieliczka salt mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This subterranean wonder, a testament to centuries of toil and ingenuity, dates back to the 13th century. It's a living, breathing chronicle of the times gone by, etched in salt. Imagine this, 9 levels deep, the mine plunges to a dizzying depth of over 300 meters. And it's not just a hole in the ground, the mine is a labyrinth of corridors, caverns, and chapels, a world carved entirely out of rock salt. One of its most breathtaking features is the Chapel of St. Kinga. This underground sanctuary, sculpted entirely from salt, is a marvel to behold. From its intricate bas-reliefs to the chandeliers made of salt crystals, it's a testament to the miner's artistry and devotion. Then there's the awe-inspiring Mikalowicz Chamber, a grand cavern that showcases the miner's engineering skills. It's a vast cathedral-like space supported by towering salt pillars. As you wander through these labyrinthine passages, you'll feel a sense of profound wonder. It's not just about the sheer scale of the place. It's the realization that every single element from the smallest sculpture to the grandest chamber was crafted by hand, out of salt. A visit to the Wieliczka salt mine is truly a journey to the center of the earth. It's a unique experience that combines history, art, and geology in a way that's sure to leave you with a sense of awe and respect for the miners who created it. Next, we visit Auschwitz-Birkenau, a sobering reminder of the horrors of the Holocaust. This site, now standing as a memorial and museum, bears witness to one of the darkest chapters of human history. It's here that over 1 million lives were tragically lost, victims of the systematic atrocities committed during World War II. As you walk through the gates, you can almost feel the echo of the past. You can sense the stories that this place holds. Stories of unimaginable suffering, but also stories of resilience and hope. It's important to approach this visit with respect and thoughtfulness, acknowledging the gravity of what happened here. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe, as this will be much appreciated. As we delve deeper into Auschwitz-Birkenau, you will encounter remnants of the past. You'll see the barracks where prisoners were kept, the infamous railway tracks, and the haunting ruins of the gas chambers. Each element serves as a poignant reminder of the human capacity for cruelty, but also our capacity for remembrance and learning. This is not your typical tourist destination. It's a place of contemplation, a place to reflect on our shared humanity and the importance of standing against hatred and intolerance. While it may be a difficult visit, it's an important part of understanding our history. Our journey continues to the magnificent Wawel Royal Castle and Wawel Cathedral, symbols of Poland's regal past. Perched atop Wawel Hill, these structures are a testament to centuries of architectural evolution and political power. The Wawel Royal Castle, once the residence of Polish kings, exudes an aura of grandeur and majesty. Its history spans almost a millennium, with each century leaving its distinct mark. Gothic spires interweave with Renaissance courtyards, reflecting the castle's dynamic history. Just a stone's throw away stands the Wawel Cathedral, the spiritual heart of Poland. This grand edifice has witnessed the coronation of almost every Polish monarch, and is the final resting place of many national heroes. The cathedral's architecture is a melting pot of styles, with Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque elements coexisting harmoniously. Its silver bell tower, home to the Sigismund Bell, is a symbol of Poland's resilience and unity. These two landmarks, the castle and the cathedral, are more than just beautiful structures. They are a reflection of Poland's rich history, its resilience in the face of adversity, and its enduring spirit. Walking through the castle grounds and cathedral is like stepping into a fairy tale. Next up is Schindler's Factory Museum, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit during World War II. Nestled in the district of Zablocki, this museum is a powerful symbol of hope and humanity in times of unspeakable adversity. Once a functioning enamelware factory, it became a sanctuary for over 1,000 Jews during the Holocaust, thanks to its owner, Oskar Schindler. This German industrialist, defying the norms of the time, used his influence and resources to ensure the survival of his workers. Today, the factory is a museum that takes you on a journey through Krakow's history during the Nazi occupation. It's not just about Schindler and his list, but about the lives of the people who lived through this tragic period. The museum's exhibits are immersive and impactful. They present a vivid picture of the city's wartime experience, from the initial shock of the Nazi invasion to the hope sparked by liberation. You'll walk through meticulously recreated scenes of wartime life, each telling its own story of survival and resistance. You'll also find a room dedicated to Schindler himself. It houses his office, preserved just as he left it, a physical reminder of the man who stood up against the horrors of genocide. Visiting Schindler's Factory Museum offers a poignant insight into one of history's darkest hours. It's not just a site of memory, but a place of reflection and understanding, a testament to the power of human compassion in the face of unimaginable cruelty. Lastly, we recommend exploring Kazimierz, Krakow's vibrant and historic Jewish district. This place is a lively melting pot of culture, history, and modernity. Once the center of Jewish life in Krakow for more than half a millennium, Kazimierz breathes history. Its narrow winding streets and ancient squares are filled with tales of a time gone by. But don't be fooled into thinking it's stuck in the past. Today, Kazimierz is a bustling hub of creativity, where tradition meets contemporary energy. In this district, you'll find unique independent shops selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to vintage clothes. It's a treasure trove for those with an eye for the unusual. The area is also dotted with charming cafes, perfect for enjoying a leisurely coffee while watching the world go by. But it's not just about the shopping and the coffee. The district is home to some of the city's most impressive synagogues, testaments to its rich Jewish heritage. Each carries its own unique story, a small piece of the intricate tapestry of Kazimierz. To truly experience Kazimierz, we suggest you take the time to wander, to soak up the atmosphere, and to engage with the local culture. Attend a klezmer music concert, or try some local Jewish delicacies. Walking the streets of Kazimierz is like immersing yourself in a living, breathing history book. So there you have it, our top 5 things to do in Krakow. We've journeyed through the enchanting Wieliczka salt mine, paid our respects at Auschwitz-Birkenau, admired the grandeur of Wawel Royal Castle and Wawel Cathedral, delved into history at Schindler's Factory Museum, and immersed ourselves in the vibrant neighborhood of Kazimierz. We'd love to hear about your own adventures in Krakow, so do share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the affiliate links below, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos, and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts. Please let us know in the comments what videos you would like us to do next. This will help us plan better to post videos you want to see. Until next time, keep exploring.